In this video, we'll be reviewing how to apply for an event permit on bells. From the licensing dashboard, select Apply for a License. Scroll down to Event Permits and select the type of permit you would like to apply for. Enter Special Event as the event type. Click Existing Licensee if holding a license is a prerequisite to the permit type, and select the licensee applying. Type the name or license number of the license the event is going to be held under and hit Enter. Click the box next to the license and then select. Continue following the wizard steps, answering any questions. Make sure to enter the county and municipality where the event is being held. As a reminder, if your application status is under municipal review, you may need to contact the municipality where the event is being held to complete the application process. Check the declaration and click Pay and Submit to complete.